Pakistan just got a massive lifeline through the Strait of Hormuz. Iran has agreed to let 20 more ships, flying the Pakistani flag, cross the vital waterway. This is huge news for trade and regional stability. Deputy Prime Minister and Foreign Minister Ishaq Dar announced the breakthrough late Saturday. He confirmed the agreement on X, highlighting it as a significant step. The plan is for 2 ships to cross the strait daily, ensuring a steady flow of goods and resources. Dar called this a welcome and constructive gesture from Iran, deserving of appreciation. He also emphasized its potential as a harbinger of peace, suggesting broader positive implications for the region. This move could significantly boost Pakistan's economy and its access to global markets, especially given the strait's critical role in international shipping. It also signals improving relations between the two nations amidst complex regional dynamics. What does this unprecedented access mean for Pakistan's future?
अगर आप ऐसी खबरों से बाखबर रहना चाहते हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।